In this final chapter, I will be exploring how 3D box drawings can really help you figure out basic lighting and shading. No matter what you create, lighting and shading are very important parts of any visual art. Lighting can set the mood for your art or even help describe form. And shading is the principle of illustrating value, and most importantly, turning anything into 3D. As you can see, the 3D box helps any artist to see the basic light source by breaking it down to two simple things. Where is the dark and where is the light coming from? As you can see, no matter what I draw, be it a face, building, human figure, or even a vehicle, you can see how the 3D box really helps me explain to my viewers how to understand where the light is by simply shading the sides of where the shadows would be. You can also see it helps ground the subject by shading the vanishing points to describe the shadow's direction. The cup of coffee picture will help me show you how to look at your subject to visualize the 3D box. Here's another cool tip. The shadow can actually help you find the perspective lines in your box drawing. Now, understand when you're looking at this picture, there's a lot of factors to consider. Backlighting, reflective light, light changes due to the sunlight, etc., etc. But the main point is to train your eyes to see such complexity and to strip down everything to the most basic form, which is a 3D box. Now, with all this information about 3D boxes, I hope you are able to see that this information isn't new, and that most artists, past, present, and future, will continue to learn and practice these box drawing tools. So I could go on about the importance of 3D boxes in a 2D space, but in the end of the day, it truly comes down to you practicing these tools. They say you can lead a horse to a well, but you can't force it to drink. So when you practice, understand that you will get frustrated and you will feel that every step you take, you fall 5 steps backwards. But understand that's just you growing your knowledge in art.